Okay, to create an inspection map rollout for the tank, we're going to go into the tank folder that was created from the tank setup tool. And we're going to select the shell and copy it. And now we can't modify things in that folder, so we're just going to come back out here and paste it into the main area. And I'm going to paste it twice. So I've got 2 copies of it. And the second copy, I'm going to take that and I'm going to turn it into a model. So I'm going to the Model tab and then the Cloud-Based Modeler because it fits the model to the point cloud. Then once we're in the tool, down at the bottom of the screen, I'm going to change the number of points being used to 1 million just because it'll fit quicker. Make sure that the type is cylinder. And now at this point, you could use a constraint to make this cylinder parallel with the z-axis. It depends on what you're trying to do or trying to show. If you want to force the cylinder to be fit to the z-axis or be plumb or not. In this case, I'm not going to make it plumb, so I'm going to just turn off that constraint and click Fit. Okay, so this looks like a good fit. So I'm just going to click Create and then close the tool. Alright, so now I've got both. I've got my point cloud and my cylinder that's a best fit to it. So here's the cylinder and there's the point cloud. So if I go to the storage tank, those tools aren't available, but if I come in here, there's the cylinder. Then here is there's the point cloud, here's the cylinder. If I select them both, so I'm just going to click on one and hold down Control and click on the second one. They're both selected. Now you see that the Surface to Model inspection tool is available. So I'm going to click on it to open it. The tool is going to open up. The first thing I need to do is set a resolution. My units are set to meters. I'm just going to change them to inches. And then I just want to change that resolution down to 1/2 inch. Now you could go smaller. It really depends on the density of your scan. I'm going to click Fill Holes and then Preview. See what the inspection map looks like. And there it is. So this is the difference map. You can click on this red and blue to see in or out, kind of a cut fill if the tank's bending in or bulging out. And then I could go straight in to the analyzer here, but in this case I'm going to go ahead and create this map and then close it. And then I can come back and open that in just a minute. Alright, so now I can go in and I can select the inspection map. Let's just hide everything so you can just see it by itself. Turning the light bulb on. That's the inspection map in 3D. If I want to go and work on it or get the unrolled view, then I can go ahead and with it selected, you'll see the inspection map analyzer tool is available. We'll just open that. And then once it's open, there's your inspection map unrolled. You've got the same options to change the coloring on it. You can change those color bars, or you can do a screen snap of the inspection map right there and paste that into your report. I can also do a few other things like drawing on here for CAD lines. For example, this area of deformation here, I'm just drawing a CAD line straight on the inspection map, and then I'm just going to choose to put that on the comparison surface. So it'll put it on the point cloud, really where the tank is, not on that reference cylinder. And once I create it, now out here in the 3D view, you can see that new object over there. If we hide the inspection map, you can see just that polyline. I'm just going to turn on the point cloud so you can see it a little better right there. And actually it looks like I've got this storage tank upside down, so let's just change the view here. Alright, just going to rotate around and we'll be able to see where that area of deformation was. Just going to go to my settings here and on the viewer tab change the pixel size for the CAD lines just to make it a little bit easier to see here in the 3D with the point cloud. And that's it. The trick is just to have 2 objects selected in order to create an inspection map.